So, Kevin, start with that health care plan.
David, yesterday, House Speaker Paul Ryan finally unveiling his plan to repeal parts of the Affordable Care Act. Now, it would keep in part key parts of Obamacare, as it's also known. It would also keep in part pre-existing conditions providing health care to folks. However, that said, David, the storyline that we're following here on Capitol Hill is whether or not Tea Party members will fall in line with this. This could be the first battle that House Speaker Paul Ryan has to referee, so to speak, in order to keep his Republican Party in line, because the sources I'm talking with in the ultra-conservative House Freedom Caucus are already speaking out against this, including some Tea Party groups. They cannot advance the ball on health care or tax reform as a result unless this Republican Party is unified in repealing parts of the Affordable Care Act. David?
Yeah, and Kevin, as you say, as the members come back from their recess, we're starting to get some sense of what they think about it. When will we have concrete evidence? Like, when will there be hearings on this?
Well, later today, House Speaker Ryan is expected to talk to reporters at his weekly press conference. I can also tell you that in terms of hearings, those hearings are already scheduled for the next week as well as in the coming weeks. All of that said, in order for them to move this, they have to get the conservatives on board, but they also need to keep key members of the Senate, should this advance to the Senate, David, because, again, for as unpopular as Obamacare is with parts of the conservative base, there is still a large portion of the country where Obamacare remains popular, particularly in the sense that we're heading into 2018 midterm elections. That is going to be a tight political tightrope for some of these senators to walk in the Republican Party.